male class, the final class for the day. Before I announce the class and announce the winners, I would like to thank all the exhibitors who came all the way from different stations and exhibited their dogs, the show committee, the show team leader Mr. Yunus and his team for putting up a good show. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. In the long coat male, the only male in the class, catalog number 107. He's the seeker from the last year. He's a dog with very good pigmentation. He's a very typeful dog. He's got very good proportions. He's got a dark mask, dark eyes. He's got high withers. He's got straight firm back. He's got very good front and very good hind angulation. The croup is short and low set, and he moves in all phases of the movement with very powerful hind thrust, free-flowing front reach, and a lot of energy and enthusiasm in his movement. Congratulations, excellent one today, catalog number 101. The winner today for me is the absolute clear winner, is catalog number 105. He's a very typeful male, he's very expressive, he's got a beautiful head, he's got lovely expressions, he's got high withers, he's got very good front and hind angulations, he's got lovely proportions, he's got a very well developed fore chest, very good front angulation, very good hind angulation, and moves excellently in all phases, maintaining the correct posture, covering a lot of ground with very powerful hind grind. A worthy winner today of the class, catalog number 105, excellent one today. Catalog number 104 is a large, substantial dog. He's got a very powerful head. He's got dark eyes. He's got very good withers. He's got very good developed fore chest, good top and underline, very good hind angulation. The croup is a little bit low set, and this dog also has lovely movement in both phases of walk and trot. Today he gets second position, excellent too. Catalog number 104, congratulations. Catalog number 104. This is another very nice male. He's strong, he's slightly stretched, he's got lovely head and expressions, he's got lovely proportions, he's got good top and underline, very good front angulation with the upper arm to be slightly better angulated, very good hind angulations, and very good movement in both phases. Congratulations. Catalog 102 is a large dog. He's dry, he's firm, he's got a good head, he's got high withers, good proportions, he's slightly stretched, good top and underline, very good hind angulation. The croup is low set and short, and moves very nicely in both phases. Congratulations. In the fourth place, catalog, number 5th place, catalog 103. This dog, unfortunately, has a correct anatomy, and he's a very decent dog, but unfortunately, he didn't want to move today in the ring. He was unsure.